How to change a WhatsApp profile picture. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I will show you how you can change your DP or your display picture or profile picture on WhatsApp. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first and first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the WhatsApp app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in WhatsApp, and go ahead and simply either download or update the WhatsApp app to the latest version. Once you've updated WhatsApp, I'm going to simply open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. If you want to change your display picture, then the very first thing to do is to, on the top right hand side, you can see the three dot icon. Simply tap on the three dot icon and then select the option which says settings. As you go ahead and select settings, you can see that this is my current profile picture. To change it, I will simply select it, and what you have to do is simply tap on this icon which you see over here. Once you tap on this icon, you basically have the option to take a photo right now from camera, or to choose the one from your gallery. Select the one from your gallery, and you could basically go ahead and upload any of the profile pictures which you might want to upload to your DP. Once you tap on it, tap on the done button which you see at the bottom right corner in order to successfully save the change it and then change your display picture. And this is basically it. You also have the option to change the about section and your phone number and so on. If you want to change the app languages, then you could go ahead and do that as well. But basically this is it. This is how you can very easily change your WhatsApp display picture. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.